Okay, Molly, this is the same image. I saved the XCF file. Um, this layer here was the first layer that I did the selection and did the gradient on. Okay. Now the next layer was stroked, which is this layer here. If I turn this layer off, you'll see it's just a slight outline, but the color only goes partially inward. Now here's the line image that I stroked again. If I increase the opacity, you'll see it's just a line. Now what I meant with the selecting the using the wand, the magic wand, and putting it on add to current selection, you can select here, which is this portion of the image outside the line, and then the other selection is the other portion. So you're selecting this portion and this portion. Now if you blur that, it'll blur in the wrong direction, so we want to invert that. So I'll just blur it without inverting it to show you what happens. Filter, blur, Gaussian blur. Okay, we're going to blur that by 40. Okay, select none. Nothing happened because the selection is on the outside of the lines. Now I'll select it again. Select here and select here and select here. Okay, and invert. Select invert. Now filter, repeat, Gaussian light. You see, it just blurred it on the inside. It directed it toward the inside of both lines. Both lines were Gaussian blurred inward. Did you see that? You see, here's the lines, right? Select here, and invert. Select, invert. Now you Gaussian blur. So the blur will go in this direction for this top line and in this direction for this bottom line. So the top line will be blurring to the south and the bottom line will be blurring to the north in this direction. So if we just go filter, repeat, Gaussian blur, that's what we get. That's what we get. You see, it's very vague. You see that? Maybe that'll help. I don't know.